Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Insights with Dylan White. It is Saturday, November 2nd, day 16, 100 of the Consistency Challenge. And today we're going to dive into an overview. We're leaving the what is behind, right? So we're leaving the 5 minutes behind. We're going to do an overview of certain areas that we went through just a couple days before. We're starting in the modern work solution areas. Remember, that's everything productivity, everything from Exchange, OneDrive, Teams, all the way to Viva and Microsoft Planner, Intune, etc. So today we're going to dive into a project that we've been getting hammered about the last couple months, which is Microsoft Planner, the differences and how we help customers adopt it, what it is, all that good stuff. But today we're going to dive into an overview of what is Microsoft Planner, why a customer would choose Planner versus a competitor, why customers would choose Planner versus project or project operations in D365. We're going to dive into just a little bit of all those things, but we're also just going to do a very brief 2 or 3 minute view of what is Microsoft Planner, and let's get into it.
All right, guys. Now, what is Microsoft Planner? It is a workforce management tool comparable to Asana, Trello. We talked about it a little bit already in the first half of the video, but it really allows you to have quick, access to all your task plans, and workforce management allows you to share, chat, and meet, right, and manage all your tasks and to-dos all in one easy space, right? It's simple, right? Again, planners made for an emphasis to be simple, right? You can accomplish more just as fast as you can, right? As fast as you can work together, and you can access it in your day to day, right? That's one of the biggest aspects of Planner. It's also extremely flexible to meet you where you are. You can plan work for the team you are in, right? Whether that's sales, marketing, we'll talk about that in a little bit in the templates, right? But you can manage your work together, right? As a team, right? Again, the emphasis there is it's a productivity application, so you're going to be able to be productive. You got it, right? And familiar features, right? Whether it's custom entities and custom fields, agile sprint planning, Planner has everything you need built in. Um, and then it's absolutely scalable, right? From whether it's large plans and big mountains that you're climbing, whether it's little rocks and you're just planning for the day, right? You focus on the big picture as well as getting comprehensive views, as well as making a bigger impact across the organization, right? You can track the team, you can track the department, you can track the org. Extremely flexible to meet your goals wherever you are, right? Lastly, it's extremely intelligent, right? We have the ability to plan projects again at scale, simply, and scale, flexible, right? That's what we want to look for, right? It's simple, scalable, flexible, intelligent. That's what you want from an easy to use workforce management tool, right? And set goals. We can also stay informed, right? Whether that's in alerts in emails, whether that's an alert in Teams, whatever that is that you're working out of, we can make it fit your day to day. One thing we're going to talk about through this also is the licensing aspect, right? One big that's big when you're doing consulting is helping organizations understand the cost of these services, right? Um, Whether that is it's an entitled license, whether that is we have to talk about up scaling into another license and paying the SKU and choosing which teams to do that. We'll talk a little bit about that more in the next piece, which goes into the consulting side. I'm super excited to talk about that part because there's so many different avenues in which we have to ask questions and excavate what an organization is looking for. So let's dive into that next a little bit more. All right. All right, guys. Now, why do companies choose Planner? How's a Planner project start from a consulting aspect? I just wanted to draw a quick vision board and get you guys an understanding of how we go as consultants go through this, right? So, starting left to right, we start with what are the goals of the customer, right? What are they looking to do? What are the objectives of the tool they're looking for, right? What are they looking to get out of Planner? How are they looking to use the tool in their day to day, right? Do they want to leave their day to day productivity suite and make to manage workforce planning, right? And do you have the budget for licensing and services, right? One quick thing that I would bring up as just in a discovery call is right, you're entitled to Microsoft Planner. Right? Before we look at any other tools, you're entitled to Planner. So let's talk about it, right? And then one of the biggest things we get from an objective state from a customer, right? And they're objecting to it is like, hey, there's not enough reporting here, right? It's not easy to use, easy to do, right? It's not, right? That's what they're saying. But for us, it's to go demystify that feeling, right? So one of the first things I will do with a customer, right, is walk through what I believe is probably the coolest thing ever, right? This is one thing I live to do almost 95% of the time. This right here, most important thing you will ever do as a sales engineer. Show the art of what your tool can do to meet their needs, right? They want to plan marketing, right? They want to use it across their marketing campaigns and then report on campaigns capabilities to deliver marketing qualified leads for the company, right? Show the customer how they can achieve that, right? So for me, my process as a sales engineer goes from discovery, right, to showing them how to do an art of the possible with the demo, right, and then the possible assessment of what they currently are doing, and then a proof of concept, and then move into the actual SAP, right? Like, let's deliver what this will cost to the project from all the way from services to, to licensing, and then the full use, right? What kind of ROI we're going to track against that afterwards, right? Can we get those marketing qualified leads out faster? Can we deliver campaigns with more conclusiveness? All these things are ways in which we can track the success of a project, right, and of a service. Those are all things I, as that sales engineer in this project, want to bring to the customer. Right? If my customer wants to go use Trello, Asana, I want to show them why they can do it all done in Microsoft Planner. So, with that being said, guys, I'm super excited. Tomorrow, we're going to come back day 17. I'll show you guys a demo of Microsoft Planner, how easy it is to use. So I'll see you guys then. See you guys tomorrow.